Today we're at McDonald's and we decided to do a mukbang for you guys. This is kind of a joke thing, I don't know. We just felt like doing it because, yeah. So you can listen to us talk about random stuff. Purple Jett isn't here with us today, unfortunately. First, let's start with what we all got. Starborn, you want to start?
What we have?
Yeah.
I have a Big Mac.
You have fries or what drink?
A Coke.
Ooh. Okay, High Tide, what do you get?
I have fruit topio with french fries and chicken nuggets.
Alright, I got a Happy Meal with a cheeseburger, fries, and a toy and yogurt. And a root beer, but you guys are set on the root beer.
What toy did you get? What toy did you get?
What?
What toy did you get?
Oh, for the new Lego movie. I don't know what it is. It's quite creepy. Yeah. Oh, it's like Emmett. I don't know. Weird. Okay. This is really good. I haven't had McDonald's in so long.
We just came from the Shredder thing.
So video, I don't know when I'm going to be uploading all of these, but if you guys haven't seen our pet convention, then check it out, because, yeah. Maybe I haven't even uploaded it yet. I don't know. Enjoying everything so far? Yeah. Very good. High Tide actually requested this mukbang.
They're in the frame.
Huh?
Barely in the frame.
This is what mukbang is like, just sitting here eating. I didn't want to do an ASMR mukbang because I thought that might be a little weird. But we should do trying ASMR challenge. That'd be funny.
I wish we were having a play date today.
Sorry?
I wish we were having a play date today.
Wait, what?
I wish we were having a play date today.
Yeah, I know. We could have done the pause challenge.
What?
The pause challenge? Starborn, you've been quite quiet. How do you rate your food so far?
Great.
How do you rate it? 10 being the best, 0 being the worst.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Ooh, nice.
You can like see a pickle here. Somewhere.
That was good.
It's like expectations versus reality.
I get full really easily. I haven't even eaten all my burger and already full. For some of you guys, this might gross you out. Another reason Purple Jett isn't here is because he's a vegetarian. And lots of things in McDonald's have meat in it. Comment down below if we should do the trying all, well, if our comments aren't disabled, but if our comments are still there, comment down below what we should do the trying all the McDonald's foods off the menu challenge.
Where are we gonna get the money from?
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this mukbang. If you want it to be longer, let us know in the comments if they're still there. And we love you guys. Bye. Wave.